Hello friends, how are you? Hope you're doing well. So let's start. Today I'll show you how you can keep your work organized. Take a look. I have created a proper folder structure for SolidWorks. It includes everything from course planners to practice models and YouTube content all in separate folder. But do you know that you can create all these folders with just one click? Before moving forward, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe please. Now, I'll show you how this magic works. We will use a .bat command first. Firstly, create a new folder on the desktop and name it Blender, as you can see on the screen. Now, what we will do is, with the help of AI like ChatGPT, we will take a customized folder structure code, as you can see. Here I have prepared a script for Blender portfolio plus YouTube workflow. So what you have to do is you have to just copy this code and create a new text document file on the desktop. Paste the code, and most importantly, save it with the .bat extension. As you can see on the screen, I'm doing. You just have to follow the steps as I'm doing. I did save. And then done. If you can't see the extension, you just have to go to view and check file name extensions. Now what you can do is you have to rename the file and add .bat at the end. You will get a warning, but don't worry, just click yes as I did. Now just double click this file. See, in just a few seconds you will see all your folders, projects, assets, renders and YouTube workflow are created automatically. So now your work is more easy. This means no more manual work, no more mess, and a super fast workflow. If you want the script, I have added it in the description. And for more smart tricks like this, subscribe now.